Hey guys, we're here in Las Vegas for the highly anticipated unveiling of the touring trailer by Erwin Hymer Group. We're also going to show you a take on the Jeep you won't believe. Get ready. So guys, I'm here with Jim Hamill, the president of Erwin Hymer Group North America. Now Jim, I am so excited for the unveiling of the touring. Well, I know the Erwin Hymer Group is all about making RVing available to everyone, really, right? And now that you have the trailer, what type of buyer would be looking for this? Or is this really a little bit of something for everybody?
You know, when we first came out, we thought this is for couples. This will be for couples or maybe with a young child. But what's happened in the process of coming up with this product and designing it is we're finding that we have interest from every age group, every demographic. It's very affordable. It's so lightweight. It changes the marketplace.
Well, I know RVing really can, enhance life, bring more romance, more adventure. But what are some of the really cool features that people might not know about?
Well, with the touring, we tried to keep this very retro, so we designed this really cool undermount air conditioning system that goes on it. And then actually we have this new mattress system. We actually 3D print the mattress inside. This is a really interesting feature no one knows about, but the mattress is 10 times lighter than a normal mattress and twice as comfortable, and it's 3D printed springs.
Nice.
It's very cool.
And how many people do these sleep?
They sleep 4.
Sleep 4, okay. Well, listen, I think it's cool that you opened up the world to everybody with this new product, and I'm so proud of you guys. We can't wait to. When are they going to be at dealerships?
I'd say about 60 days they'll start arriving at dealerships.
And what better way to tow the touring trailer than with the newly customized and oh so sexy American Fastback Jeep? I caught up with the VP of the Jeep division, Ken Mitchell, to learn more.
Erwin Hymer decided to get into the Jeep market. The Jeep is the #1 selling SUV out there currently.
One thing I really like about the Jeep is, if I can say this as a woman, I'm not really an off-road person, but it is sexy. I mean, I'd be happy to drive this through the city. So what actual features how have you customized this versus just buying a Jeep?
Sure, absolutely. They are a very sexy vehicle. That's a great name for it, for sure. What we've done is we've added some creature comforts that everybody likes to have out there. Heated seats, GPS, leather, electric fold-down steps. We increased the ride height on the vehicle with a Mopar lift on it. Still a very nice ride, but gives you that off-road capability. They come with 20 and 22-inch wheels on there with 35-inch tires. It is called the American Fastback because it's a fastback or sloped back top on the Jeep. In that top, we offer a Targa, a single electric sunroof, a dual electric sunroof, and now a full-on electric ragtop in it, like the old V-dubs. So we add a custom hood, custom grille, custom fenders, custom bumpers all to it, and that allows that person to individualize to their needs and their likes.
Once again, thank you so much, Ken. I think you guys hit a home run on this one. You provide all the solutions, so thank you so much.
Beautiful. Thank you.